Wat Rong Suea Ten, better known as the Blue Temple, is one of the most breathtaking landmarks in Chiang Rai, northern Thailand. Although it is often overshadowed by the famous White Temple, many travelers consider the Blue Temple equally impressive because of its vibrant colors, intricate artwork, and peaceful atmosphere. Unlike many centuries-old Thai temples, Wat Rong Suea Ten is a relatively modern creation, proving that traditional Buddhist architecture can blend beautifully with contemporary artistic design. The temple's name translates to Temple of the Dancing Tiger. According to local legend, this area was once home to wild tigers that frequently crossed the nearby river, giving the temple its unique name. Construction of the current temple began in the early 2000s and was completed in 2016. The project was designed by Phutta Kheu, a local artist who studied under Chalermchai Pipat, the creator of Chiang Rai's world-famous White Temple. While both temples share remarkable artistic detail, the Blue Temple has developed its own distinctive identity. The first thing visitors notice is the temple's brilliant sapphire-blue exterior. Blue represents wisdom, purity, and the infinite nature of Buddhist teachings. Combined with sparkling gold decorations, detailed carvings, and elegant mythical creatures, the entire complex appears almost magical, especially under bright sunlight. Every surface is covered with intricate patterns, making the temple one of Thailand's most photogenic religious sites. Inside the main prayer hall stands a magnificent white Buddha statue surrounded by colorful murals depicting Buddhist teachings mixed with modern artistic interpretations. The contrast between the brilliant white Buddha and the deep blue interior creates an unforgettable visual experience. Natural light enters through the windows, causing the golden decorations and painted walls to shimmer throughout the day. Outside, visitors will discover beautifully crafted Naga serpent sculptures, guardian figures, fountains, and ornamental details inspired by traditional Thai mythology. Every corner offers another opportunity for photography, and many travelers spend considerable time exploring the artwork from different angles. Despite its popularity, Wat Rong Suea Ten remains an active Buddhist temple where local people come to pray and make merit. Visitors are welcome, but should dress respectfully by covering their shoulders and knees when entering the prayer hall. Speaking quietly and behaving respectfully helps preserve the peaceful atmosphere enjoyed by both worshippers and tourists. The temple is located only a few kilometers from the center of Chiang Rai and can easily be reached by taxi, tuk-tuk, rental scooter, or as part of a city sightseeing tour. Many visitors combine it with the nearby White Temple and the Black House Museum to experience Chiang Rai's famous trio of artistic attractions.